Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to lock WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. To lock WhatsApp, use an app. So open your Google Play Store and open here app lock app and install this application and click on open and draw a pattern here. Again draw the pattern. Click on agree and start, and from this list select WhatsApp. Once you get it, click on this lock icon and give permission here. Turn on app lock, allow. Give the second permission. And give the last permission and click on enable, and here you can see the WhatsApp has been locked. If you click on WhatsApp, it will ask you to give the pattern. So this was how we can lock WhatsApp. If you think to see more WhatsApp videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Unminute. Thank you for watching.